Right, hello folks, it's Metalman8713 here today. How is everything going with you folks, by the way? Hopefully quite alright. Anyway, I'm here to bring you a very quick and another Ancestry tutorial video here today. There's four on my channel so far. And anyway, in this video, I'm going to be covering a few of the quick ways of how you can navigate through your family tree, basically. So yeah, I'm going to show you a couple of ways how to do it on the internet version, which I've got on me iPad Mini Generation 1 on here. It amazingly still works, and then later on my phone, right there. Anyway, so yeah, basically I'm gonna go onto the tree, for you folks, and we'll get right into it. So yeah, I hope you find. And anyway, I hope anybody who finds who's using Ancestry at the moment finds some of these videos helpful or useful, by the way. So yeah, right. And anyway, we are here, folks. Anyway, I've select anyway. The first thing I'm going to do is this little rectangle bottom. I don't know if you can see on my camera. Right, here we go, and all these little squares are basically all the people which I've added to the tree, basically, and family members, basically. So the version of the tree which we're in at the moment is called Family View, and in this view, going up and down, you can go back. You could go back to parents on the next line up, and then grandparents, both sides, paternal and maternal, which you can see with fingers. It's that centre line in between that top and bottom one. And then great grandparents, and also aunties and uncles, and paternal cousins, and also brothers and sisters, and even if they had any children of their own, nieces and nephews, basically. So yeah, right. Anyway, I'm just gonna quickly show you a few views which you can navigate through the tree. You can either scroll around the family tree like this, if you wanted to. If you wanted to, basically. Sorry, it's not really. This has been a bit slow on the outtake today. Basically, normally you can scroll or click around through the tree a bit like this to move around the tree, or this rectangle at the bottom you can either tap or click. There we go. Oh, it's moved basically. There we go, and then if you really wanted to, you can either tap on any part of this bottom rectangle showing the whole of the family tree. If I just tap here, for instance, it'll go to that part of the tree, or over here, up here, or up here, right over there. So yeah. So yep, basically that's the general idea. Then yep, and yep as well. And if you want to go up through the tree and go further back through relatives, basically this is on the internet and app versions. You can either click on this arrow right at the top, right at the top of a great grandparent's profile, or click on these people, and it'll view their ancestors and family tree. So they basically just tap on this, and then it'll load up the tree from Richard Ray's point of view, basically. Go a bit further back, and there we are, Richard Ray. Here we go. So it'll view his parents, grandparents and great-grandparents, basically. And also it works the same if you go down, actually, basically if you do the same thing if you wanted to go forward through the tree as well. So yep, right. And anyway, and also as a bonus view in this one, and there's two views on this version. There's family view, which I've just shown you, and portrait view. No, not portrait, landscape view, sorry. I'm just going to go on to landscape view. It's this symbol over here, basically, if I can focus, excuse me. excuse me, this, yeah. Camera's focusing in. Camera focus. There we go. Just leave it like that. Anyway, yeah, the landscape view is just where my finger is. If you tap on it, it'll go into the tree's landscape view. And for the purposes of this, I'm just going to go into this one, for instance. Leonard Ray. The profile Leonard Ray. Just clicked on a little menu to view his family tree. You can either do that in both versions, either this way or in family view. You can. There's a whole bunch of options which you can do on here. You can go to that person's profile, search for hints, quickly edit his profile, and then a list of more options, including view his family tree, which will view his family tree from his eyes, add a relative for this person, add a tag, or if you didn't want him anymore, you could delete him. So actually, as well, for the purposes of it, I'm just going to try to view his family tree, and hopefully we can get onto it. Anyway, here we go. So yep. So a whole different view on here, folks, compared to the other version. Basically, Leonard Ray's name's on the left, and basically father's side on the top and mum's side on the bottom. It goes basically toward the person, parents, grandparents, great-grandparents, where my finger's pointing, and all these over here are meant to be great-grandparents. So yeah. Anyway, and also if you wanted to go back on any of these, you would basically just tap on an arrow or click on one if you're on a computer. Try again. I've just tapped on one, and then basically it'll show all the relatives in the descended line going back, basically. So yep. Click another one. So yeah. Anyway, and it's the same for all of them if you add any relatives going back. Right, that's my iPad version. And also, quick look on my phone for you folks. Ooh, phone's glaring in the camera. Trying to do a light show on me. Anyway, let's get on to Ancestry once again. On my phone, we are going to go back onto the tree. Oh yeah, to view the tree from a person's profile, you can either click the back button, and then that'll go back through all of them, or viewing tree, and a whole list of options which you can do with the people in this version, a bit like the other version. Viewing tree. Show events, what's happened to that person, name and gender, relationships, merge with duplicate person if you have two in the tree, or again you can delete him. Anyway, it's, excuse me folks, yeah, there we go. There we go. Anyway, so basically the tree's in family view, almost similar to, well, basically in a very, very similar mode to the family version on the internet version. Very, very easy to, it's very, very easy to go around as well, basically. You can see family names on there. Basically, left to right, you can navigate anywhere you like, basically, on here. So, anyway, to go back and forward, basically, to view relatives, on this version, I forgot to mention, you can, and if you have any that go back, you can tap on this arrow, and then basically, voila, it would show basically more descended relatives going back. And also, I forgot to mention, if you wanted to view any particular person's family tree from their point of view on the main tree, you would basically tap on them and then click view tree for any of the people that you would like on here, and then and then you'd be able to view them from that point of view, basically. So, yep. Right, anyway, 10 minutes. Oh, blimey. Oh, right, anyway, folks, I think I'm just going to leave it about there for this video. Well, anyway, I hope anybody using Ancestry to create family trees out there has been finding some of these tutorials useful. And just in case, if you're just starting out creating a family tree, there's a list of 4 other tutorials which I've also got on my YouTube page, Metalman8713, including this one. So, yep. Basically, so go and check them out if you need any hints or tips and help. Right anyway, and apart from that, thank you very much for watching this video, and that's the end of this one. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Whoops, stuttering again. I need to get out of that habit, by the way. Yeah, subscribing, liking, commenting, and also spreading the word around about my channel, and also to check out some of the range what my YouTube channel offers, because anyway, anyway, I don't know if it happens on other channels, mind you, but anyway, on my own, but there's a very big range of videos which I try to do, basically, with many different categories, different categories and, you know, genres of videos, but, well, basically, well, try to, but still, it is very big, mind you, so, yeah, right, anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.